Hello dear fans. Where and how diamonds are mined. The hardest substance on Earth is diamond. Many materials with great hardness are cut with these stones, but the diamond itself can be cut with another diamond. This mineral is appreciated not only for its hardness, but also for its beauty. By its chemical composition, diamond is a close relative of coal and graphite. It consists of the same chemical element, carbon, but differs in the structure of the crystal lattice. For the lattice to change, thereby turning graphite into diamond, a temperature of 1100 to 1300 degrees Celsius and a pressure of about 5,000 atmospheres are needed. Such conditions occur at a depth of 100 to 200 kilometers. Deposits of diamonds. When gases break through the Earth's crust, volcanic magma rushes into the crack, carrying diamonds from the depths of the Earth. Magma solidifies, forming a special rock, kimberlite. A kimberlite pipe appears, tapering from top to bottom. Its diameter can vary from 10 to 20 meters, and its area from 0.01 to 140 hectares. This is what the primary diamond deposit looks like. Kimberlite, like other rocks, is susceptible to weathering and destruction as a result of chemical reactions with water, carbon dioxide and other substances. With the expansion and deepening of river valleys, diamonds from collapsing kimberlite pipes were captured by water flows and ended up in the lower part of river sediments. This is how secondary diamond deposits arose. They are called placers. Until the second half of the 19th century, diamonds were mined only in placers, but now 85% of diamonds are mined in kimberlite pipes. Deposits of diamonds are found on all continents, excluding Antarctica. However, even there, fragments of a meteorite containing diamonds were found. There are especially many diamond deposits in Siberia and Africa. Diamond mining process. Diamond mining is a complex and costly process. It begins with a search for a deposit, which takes decades. When a deposit is found, site preparation begins, depending on the specific conditions. So, if the kimberlite pipe is deep underground, closed underground mines are equipped, and if at the bottom of the sea, special robots are used. After the site has been prepared, an enrichment plant is being built, which will be engaged in the extraction of diamonds from the rock. Diamond mining technology consists of 3 stages. At the first stage, the ore is crushed and separated into diamond kimberlite and accompanying rock. This is done right at the mine in special installations. In the second stage, the ore is crushed again. The pure diamond kimberlite is sorted into 4 categories, depending on the particle size, and the diamonds are freed from the accompanying rock. This happens in a factory. Methods for separating associated rocks from diamonds. The most primitive method is fatty installations. Kimberlite mixed with water is served on a table covered with fat. Water carries away the accompanying rock, and diamonds stick to the fat. They are collected. Electromagnetic installations are more perfect. Their action is based on the fact that diamonds are not attracted by magnets, and the accompanying rock is attracted quite strongly. In X-ray installations, the ore is irradiated, as a result of which the diamonds glow with a blue light. Special sensors detecting this glow activate a mechanism that cuts off diamonds from the accompanying rock. When the diamonds are separated from the accompanying rock, the third stage of processing begins. The diamonds are sent to the sorting shop, where they are examined and selected by weight, diameter, and grade. Thanks for watching.